Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make the accordion fold card. This is what it looks like in the front, and then the inside it has an extra panel that you can have people sign on. So this would be a really great card for like a graduation, or I made mine into a retirement. But when you need a lot of signatures on a card, sometimes just the double card, the sides on the inside isn't enough. You need an extra panel. So we're going to go ahead and make this card today. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to give you all the measurements of the pieces. So this card, I got the idea from my downline, Tracy Bradley. She did a video on this card and I fell in love with it. So thank you, Tracy. Okay, so we're going to use a piece of Whisper White, and this is the 12 by 12 cardstock. This is cut at 5.5 by 11.5. And then of course the designer paper. This is cut at 4 by 5.25. Then you're going to need an extra piece of Whisper White. This is cut at 3 3/4 by 5, and this is for the extra panel for the inside. And then this piece right here is for the front, and I'm using the Calypso Coral, and this is cut at 1 inch by 5 1/4. And then I added some silver glimmer paper to the edge, and that was, I think this was cut at 3/4 by 5 1/4. And I just adhered those pieces together. Okay, so now we're going to grab our paper trimmer. Okay, so we're going to do some scoring. We're going to score on the 11.5 inch side. Let me open up my arm here. All right, so your first score line is going to be at 4 1/4, and then 5, 5 3/4, 6 1/2, and 7 1/4. Okay, so those are your score lines. Hopefully that's showing up on camera. Okay. All right, so you're going to find your center score line first. So we're just going to fold this in half. Okay, now this is where the accordion part comes in. So you're going to fold your card in half, and then you're going to fold it in a valley and then a mountain. So this side is going to be looking like this. Here, let me show you. So it looks like this. So this is the halfway point of the card. So we have a valley and then a mountain, and you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So you're going to fold it in a valley and then the mountain. Okay, so this is the card. This is what it looks like when it's folded. Okay, so you have your center point right here, valley, mountain, and then you have a valley and a mountain right there. Okay, so now we're going to add some tear and tape to close up this edge here on this outside part right here. So I'm going to use the tear and tape. We're just going to put a strip or two along these sections here. So we're going to stick these two panels right here together, and then these two together. Okay, so this is going to be the outside edge of the card. So now it's all sealed up. Now the inside part right here, we're going to also add some tear and tape, and we're going to add this section here. This is the Whisper White piece. Remember, this is the 3 3/4 by 5. So let me grab my tear and tape. Okay, now we're going to take our piece here and we're going to slide it all the way into that score line right in the center, and then you're going to position it. I'm just kind of eyeballing it for the top and the bottom, the edge that it's equal, and then you're just going to fold over those center parts right there. So this is going to make your extra panel inside your card. Don't you love that? All right, so now we're just going to go ahead and decorate it. So here's my designer paper, and I'm going to put this on the front. Go. So let me show you the stamp sets I'm using for today's card. I'm using the Friendly Expressions, and I'm using this Congratulations to You for the front. And then I'm also using the Itty Bitty Greetings. Lots of greetings in this stamp set. We're using the Best Wishes from All of Us, and then also Enjoy Your Retirement is in this as well. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab some Whisper White. So I want to use the Memento ink, and I went ahead and stamped the greeting already, the larger one, but I'm going to show you what I did. So this is Congratulations to You. So I'm just going to go ahead and stamp that on a piece of Whisper White. Okay, and then I just hand cut that out and I layered that onto the Calypso Coral. So now we're just going to go ahead and stamp the other greetings. So this one is Enjoy Your Retirement. And then this one is Best Wishes from All of Us. Okay. And then these fit really nicely in the 1 1/4 inch circle punch. So let me go ahead and punch them out. Okay, then I'm going to take the 1 3/8 scallop circle punch. I'm going to punch out 2 of them with the Calypso Coral. Okay, we're going to layer these together. Enjoy Your Retirement on this insert right here, this extra panel. And then this is going to get balanced up on the front with this greeting right here. And I'm going to pop this up on a dimensional. This on the front here. Let me measure this to tell you how long I cut that. So the Calypso Coral is cut at 3 3/4 by 1 3/4, and then the Whisper White is just cut a little bit smaller than that. Okay, so then this is going to go on the front, and then we're going to pop the Best Wishes from All of Us on the front of that. Isn't that sweet? What a cute little card. Okay, so then here's the other one. And of course, if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll have all the items listed below in the description box as well. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.